everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roshanna and today I showed you guys how I achieved this look. It's like a pink rose gold kind of cut crease. This look is perfect if you're going on a date, if you're just going out, you know, on a Friday night, a Saturday night, a weekend. This look is perfect for that. I just love how the colors came out. I'm seriously obsessed with this look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Starting off with my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, I'm going to be applying the color Summer Yum all over my lid using a medium-sized blending brush. Then going in with my BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm going to be applying the red shade all over my lid where I previously added the brown shade. Now this shade did take a while to build up its color, so I just had to keep on reapplying it, so that's what you're going to be seeing in the next few clips. Now going in with Kylie Jenner's The Burgundy palette, I chose this particular color in the palette because it was just so pigmented and I needed a color like that to really help this look stand out. Now it's time to cut the crease. I'm using a super small flat brush to cut the crease. I'm taking my time with this. As you can see, I start off very small and then I'm just going to keep on building it up, going back for more concealer and just really creating the shape that I want. So as you can see, I'm really focusing, I'm taking my time. I suggest you do the same on this step because if it does not look perfect, you basically have to start all over again and it's not worth it. So take your time on this part. Now going back to the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm using the last shade, which is a white shade, and I'm just using that to set the concealer that I used to cut the crease. Now for some shimmer, we're going to go with my Violet Voss Rainbow palette and we're going to use the shade Pearl and I'm going to apply this all over the cut crease. Now on this part, you can make any corrections that you may have messed up with the cut crease. You can just correct that crease as I'm doing right now. Now going in with that same burgundy shade from before, I'm going to be applying this on the outer V and I'm going to just create the ombre effect. Now I'm going back to my BH Cosmetics, Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm using the red shade just to complete the ombre effect look that I'm going for. And I'm just going to keep on repeating those steps until I feel like the ombre look is complete. I'm also going to be using some of the pink shade from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette because I feel like it's going to give a nice girly touch and it's really going to help complement the look. Now to add some shimmer over that pink we just applied, I'm going to go into my Violet Boss palette again and use the color Flamingo, and I'm just going to put that over pink that I applied previously. Now I'm just applying some liner. I'm not going to do anything crazy like a wing because I feel like the look is enough. It doesn't need a wing liner. So I'm just going to put a small line. So guys, in this part my camera died, so I just went along and I finished my foundation and everything else, and now I'm just applying the same colors that I have on top of my lids. I'm putting that on my bottom lids as well, just to complete the look and give it a more fuller, more exciting look. And it went in my eye just now, but I'm alright. Now moving on to mascara, I'm just going to be applying this to my bottom lashes. And guys, this is the last step. So after this, the look is pretty much complete. Okay everyone, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you want to see more makeup tutorials, let me know by commenting down below in the comments. I'm seriously obsessed with how this look came out. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's nice for summertime. Actually, it's perfect for summertime. I love you if you watched till the end, and I will see you guys in my next video.